Viewers, from Delhi to Srinagar, the Independence Day spirit has gripped the entire country. The entire nation is steeped in patriotic fervour as India marks its 78th Independence Day. Historical monuments, government and administrative buildings in Delhi and other parts of the country have been lit up in tricolour to celebrate the Independence Day. Addressing the nation from the ramparts of the Red Fort on the 78th Independence Day here, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said most of the people he met in his third term wanted to invest in India. He said it's a golden opportunity to make India a hub of global manufacturing and called upon state governments to make policies to attract more and more investment while ensuring good governance and law and order. But the highlight of the day is Prime Minister's special emphasis on UCC and One Nation, One Poll. He said Supreme Court has held discussions regarding Uniform Civil Code again and again. It has given orders several times. He even said that the civil code that we are living with is actually a communal civil code. And in a way, that is the need of the hour, that there should be a secular civil code in the country. Listen in.
प्यारे देशवासियों, हमारे देश में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बार बार यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड को लेकर जो चर्चा की है, अनेक बार आदेश दिए हैं, क्योंकि देश का एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ग मानता है और उसमें सच्चाई भी है कि जिस सिविल कोड को हम लेकर के जी रहे हैं, वो सिविल कोड सचमुच में तो एक प्रकार का कम्युनल सिविल कोड है, भेदभाव करने वाला सिविल कोड है। ऐसे सिविल कोड से जब संविधान के 75 वर्ष मना रहे हैं और संविधान की भावना भी जो हमें कहती है करने के लिए, देश की सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी हमें कहती है करने के लिए, और तब जो संविधान निर्माताओं का सपना था, उस सपने को पूरा करना हम सबका दायित्व है। और मैं मानता हूं इस गंभीर विषय पर देश में चर्चा हो, व्यापक चर्चा हो, हर कोई अपने विचारों को लेकर के आए और उन कानूनों को, जो कानून धर्म के आधार पर देश को बांटते, जो ऊंच नीच का कारण बन जाते हैं, ऐसे कानूनों को आधुनिक समाज में कोई स्थान नहीं हो सकता है। और इसलिए मैं तो कहूंगा, अब समय की मांग है कि देश में एक सेकुलर सिविल कोड हो। हमने कम्युनल सिविल कोड में 75 साल बिताए हैं, अब हमें सेक्युलर सिविल कोड की तरफ जाना होगा और तब जाकर के देश में धर्म के आधार पर जो भेदभाव हो रहे हैं, सामान्य नागरिक को जो दूरी महसूस होती है, उससे हमें मुक्ति मिलेगी। आने वाले दिनों में 1 लाख ऐसे नौजवान जो परिवार राजनीति से दूर दूर का संबंध नहीं है, ऐसे फ्रेश ब्लड आएंगे तो सोच भी नहीं आएगी, सामर्थ्य भी नहीं आएगा, लोकतंत्र समृद्ध होगा। और इसलिए हमें इस दिशा में आगे होना है। और मैं चाहूंगा कि देश ने बार बार चुनाव इस देश की प्रगति में रुकावट बन रहे हैं, गतिरोध पैदा कर रहे हैं। आज कोई भी योजना को चुनाव के साथ जोड़ देना आसान हो गया है, क्योंकि हर 3 महीने 6 महीने कहीं न कहीं चुनाव चल रहा है। कोई भी योजना जाहिर करोगे आप तो मीडिया में देखेंगे, चुनाव आया तो फलाना हो गया, चुनाव आया तो फलाना हो गया। हर काम को चुनाव के रंग से रंग दिया गया है। और इसलिए देश में व्यापक चर्चा हुई है, सभी राजनीतिक दलों ने अपने विचार रखे हैं। एक कमेटी ने बहुत बढ़िया अपना रिपोर्ट तैयार किया है। वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन के लिए देश को आगे आना होगा। मैं लाल किले से तिरंगे की साक्षी में देश के राजनीतिक दलों से आग्रह करता हूं, देश के संविधान को समझने वाले लोगों से आग्रह करता हूं कि भारत की प्रगति के लिए, भारत के संसाधनों का सर्वाधिक उपयोग जन सामान्य के लिए हो, उसके लिए वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन के सपने को साकार करने के लिए हमें आगे आना चाहिए। मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, भारत का स्वर्णिम कालखंड है। 2047 विकसित भारत, ये हमारी प्रतीक्षा कर रहा है।
So two important points have been raised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. One, of course, he believes that the time has come for India to have one nation, one election, because a lot of resources get wasted because we have elections throughout the year in some part of or the other in the entire country. That was very important point that he made. And second important issue that he raised was about having a secular civil code in the country. In fact, what he mentioned that there have been discussions on this issue as far as uniform civil code is concerned. Many a times the Supreme Court has given orders because a large section of the society feels, and rightly so, he said that the current civil code is a communal civil code which is discriminatory in nature, and that is the reason why there is a need to have a secular civil code in the country. He goes on to say that the Constitution tells us, the Supreme Court tells us that it was the dream of the Constitution makers, and hence it is our duty to fulfill it. Let's straight away now go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Pragya, good morning. Important messages have been sent by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today, and two important issues have been raised. One nation, one poll, and need of a secular civil code in the country. What are you picking up from the leaders in the opposition on these 2 points raised by the Prime Minister today during his speech?
Well, I would say that opposition is not very happy with Prime Minister raising both these points. While they say that you need consent of opposition states and of the opposition leaders as well while implementing one nation, one poll, many of the opposition leaders have given in writing that they are not for it. And this is the reason why Prime Minister has taken it upon himself and spoken from the ramparts of Red Fort today, saying that it is our duty to ensure that the resources of the country are utilized to the maximum, and this is one provision where it can happen. Because of the simultaneous polls going on, there is code of conduct kicking in every year, and there are many states that remain bereft of the development projects. This is not a right thing to do. There are many human resources who are also put in during elections. Human resource are obviously around the year. They are somewhere or the other to ensure that elections take free and fair in a free and fair environment, and this is exactly what Prime Minister said, that need of the hour is one nation, one poll. Second of the most important point that Prime Minister spoke of today is secular civil code. Now, many would say, what is in the name? I would say pretty much because Prime Minister has done it deliberately. Many of the opposition leaders, whenever there is a talk of uniform civil code, they had accused BJP and they had accused the Prime Minister of playing to the majority and undermining the rights of minority, because when you have uniform civil code, then every citizen will be treated equally. Which personal law of Muslims will be undermined is the accusation of the opposition, and this is exactly why Prime Minister said, you keep on saying secular, secular. I am today saying that we need a secular civil code, which means that we have been living by the communal civil code for 75 years, and there is a need. And Constitution also says that this is under directive principle. This is the duty of the state to ensure that every citizen have uniform civil code. Everyone is equal in terms of in front of civil laws, and everyone should be have that chance of equality, especially women. Halala, iddat, all of that comes under when uniform civil code kicks in, and as it has kicked in Uttarakhand, these halala, iddat, all right, those reactionary traditions in a personal community that has been abolished, and if you practice that, you will be punished. So right, Prime Minister spoke exclusive, at length about secular civil code, and saying that there needs to be wider range of debates on it. Yes. Come with suggestions, debate it, and something good will come out. At least there will be an environment in the country right, for uniform civil code, for that matter, and all the states will start doing that. This is also a signal to the state, especially BJP ruled state, to right, start debate, to have that go into the society, to ask them what is wrong with that. If they say nothing wrong with that, implement it. If they say that there are some changes that they need to be made so that one community will not feel right, that they are being
and
persecuted.
That's why he said perhaps this is the right time to bring this secular civil code. Pragya, I request you to stay on with us. Let's once again listen into what exactly the Prime Minister had to say during his address today.
प्यारे देशवासियों, हमारे देश में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बार बार यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड को लेकर जो चर्चा की है, अनेक बार आदेश दिए हैं, क्योंकि देश का एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ग मानता है और उसमें सच्चाई भी है कि जिस सिविल कोड को हम लेकर के जी रहे हैं वो सिविल कोड सचमुच में तो एक प्रकार का कम्युनल सिविल कोड है, भेदभाव करने वाला सिविल कोड है। ऐसे सिविल कोड से जब संविधान के 75 वर्ष मना रहे हैं और संविधान की भावना भी जो हमें कहती है करने के लिए, देश की सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी हमें कहती है करने के लिए, और तब जो संविधान निर्माताओं का सपना था उस सपने को पूरा करना हम सबका दायित्व है। और मैं मानता हूं इस गंभीर विषय पर देश में चर्चा हो, व्यापक चर्चा हो, हर कोई अपने विचारों को लेकर के आए और उन कानूनों को जो कानून धर्म के आधार पर देश को बांटते, जो ऊंच नीच का कारण बन जाते हैं, ऐसे कानूनों को आधुनिक समाज में कोई स्थान नहीं हो सकता है। और इसलिए मैं तो कहूंगा अब समय की मांग है कि देश में एक सेकुलर सिविल कोड हो। हमने कम्युनल सिविल कोड में 75 साल बिताए हैं, अब हमें सेक्युलर सिविल कोड की तरफ जाना होगा और तब जाकर के देश में धर्म के आधार पर जो भेदभाव हो रहे हैं, सामान्य नागरिक को जो दूरी महसूस होती है, उससे हमें मुक्ति मिलेगी।
So this is what the Prime Minister had to say today. Remember, before the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, now this was a part of the BJP's manifesto as well. BJP had pledged to implement UCC if it secures a third term, and that's what we heard from the Prime Minister as well. However, the name has been tweaked slightly. He called it a secular civil code. We have a reaction coming in from BJP leader from Tamil Nadu, Annamalai, as well on this. Let's listen in.
I think our Honorable Prime Minister, in his historic address again from the Red Fort today on our Independence Day, he has clearly given us a recommitment of the vision. Not only that, Honorable Prime Minister spoke about secular civil code. And you all know many BJP run state governments have already bought different versions of uniform civil code, and today the PM has very clearly said the government's intention is to bring a secular civil code.
Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the BJP is now joining us on the broadcast as well for more on this. Good morning. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to what the Prime Minister had to say on the need of the hour today to bring a secular civil code. The name is not perhaps going to be Uniform Civil Code. It will be framed as a secular civil code now.
First of all, the name this government will discuss, but one thing is for sure. When this country is succeeding in development, you see across the world, there is one civil code. There is no other religious code. I think India wants that. India is in a dire need of that. And to grow a country, you need to make the thought process of the collective people. You can't divide people in the name of religion, in the name of caste. So today, there are parties who want to divide this country. And Prime Minister Modi, his full force is to unite the country. And unless we unite the country in the name of religion, unite the country in the name of traditions. So we are different traditions. And our government consider that all those traditions are important for our country. At the same time, there are few things which legally should be one. And when we divide in the name of religion, the country is divided. So today, the entire nation wants to be a collective nation. They want to fight as a nation, not on the basis of some forces that want to divide this nation. So I think it is a need of the hour.
You believe it's the need of the hour, but Mr. Manjinder Sirsa, we have been speaking to leaders from other political parties as well. Congress party, leader that we spoke to had said that, in fact, this is an agenda of the BJP to divide the society. Prime Minister is spreading communal agenda and people of India are not going to accept it. How will you like to respond?
So first tell me, Rahul Gandhi got his education from England. Am I right? Then he went to US. Same is with Priyanka Gandhi. Can they both please tell? In fact, Rahul Gandhi also had account there in UK. He has bought few companies there. Can you please explain to this nation that is there any kind of a different law for different religions there in UK? Is it a UK, a secular country?
Right.
Is there any law for in the USA? Because they want to divide our country. Their sole agenda of Gandhi family is to divide this country. They are spreading hate among the religions. They are spreading hate among the communities. And Prime Minister is